Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We have a quick unboxing to do. So this has taken about 10 working days if I'm not mistaken from China. So I guess you guys are keen to see what's in a box, and some of you might actually be surprised because as I get this out, that probably looks familiar. It's the new FTX. It's not a new FTX, in fact is a HNR Panther, but it's exactly the same as the FTX. I do believe this was actually released a little while back before FTX. So the FTX version is called the Stinger, and this HRN or HNR, should I say it, is called the Panther. But when you guys compare the two, one versus the other, it's exactly the same body colors, same everything. The main difference being, if you order this from China, you will not come with a battery, but if you are like myself, that you got a couple of RCs hanging about, I'm sure you got one or two batteries. Might turn this upside down, which will be easier. Everything comes pre-assembled, is almost ready to run, with metal gears, metal drive cups and dog bones, and bearings throughout, plastic chassis, front splitter, rear diffuser, drift wheels, 3300 brushless motor. It's got the sway bars also, which come on a kit, which you can assemble them yourself if you wanted to. All ready to run with light control switch and everything. Hobbywing 10BL60, and the motor is a 3652 3300 brushless motor, a 15 kilo waterproof servo, and that is it. Oil dampers, out of the box 56 miles an hour. I guess we're gonna find out at some point, aren't we? So yeah, anyway, let's get it out. Comes with your instructions manual, sway bars and damper adjustments and all that if you wanted to use it. All the screws is in there, instructions in there, which we don't need to go through it right now because I'm pretty sure we know how to pull the trigger backwards and forwards and turn the steering wheel on the remote. So as you guys can see, well packed with lots of bubble wrap everywhere. And voila, I'll put some photos up so you guys can see a bit better. But yeah, that looks pretty damn good to me. Let's get the body off and see what does it look like inside. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Pretty slick design if you ask me. On and off switch. Metal drive shafts, like I said. Metal dog bones and drive cups, gears. I mean, looks good to me. I like this idea as well, so you don't have to mess around with clips. The only thing I don't like is the Dean's connector, which I'm going to change because I don't really use Dean's. So yeah, that is it, guys. I will take a couple of photos and show you some close-ups. H&R version of the FTX, or should I say it's an FTX, but H&R. Who knows? Whatever it is, it's just the same, but a lot cheaper. Oh, by the way, this cost me about £180, I believe. I will put a photo up to show you how much it actually costed me. And if I got the FTX here in the UK, I believe they're selling about £240. So, you know, savings about £50 to £60 really, depending where you get it from. And personally, I'd rather wait a couple of weeks, just like I did, and get a cheaper version with the same thing, exactly the same, but it just saves you money for tires, because I'm pretty sure they're not going to last long, as this meant to be kind of a drifter or speed run, whatever it might be. We're going to need new tires, so save those 50 quid and buy more tires. Happy days.